Today I'm going to be sharing my recipe, cooking dinner with me. I'm going to be making a potted chili. I have shared this on my channel before, and I will link that video down in the description box. It's got more detailed information, but I'm doing a voiceover because we have guests and you can't hear yourself think. My husband is making business calls on the phone, and for privacy reasons, I can't, you know, have that out there either. So anyway, I'm going to be doing a voiceover, but right now all I'm doing is browning 2 pounds of ground round, and I like to do at least an 80-20 or 75-25 fat content. That way it does have some flavor to it. So the first thing we're going to do is brown this meat up. So I'm just going to continue to stir this, and it's browned really well. Now at this point you will drain off any excess grease you have. This didn't really have any. I'm getting ready to add my chili mix from Pampered Chef. I don't know what it is, but guys, their chili mix is really good. I love it. So I'm adding that in. I'm going to go ahead and add another packet of that chili mix because I am doubling this recipe. Now I'm going to go ahead and add in 2 cans of kidney beans. I'm going to add in 2 cans of diced tomatoes. This is a different type. This actually has the chili sauce in it, and I don't drain it as either. Now after you get everything in, you just want to mix it really well. Now at this point, I like to add either chili peppers or jalapeno peppers in it. I didn't do this because my grandbabies were going to be eating it, but I did have them on the side if anyone wanted to add those to theirs, and I did mine, and it tasted really good that way too. But typically I would add my chili peppers here, and I would cook it in that, and it gets a good flavor. Now I'm just going to continue to bring this up. It's going to come up to a boil, and then I'm going to turn the temperature down and let it simmer. I prefer the longer it simmers, the better the flavor is, but I try to let mine simmer at least for 30 minutes. So you'll see me come in and stir it a few times here. Okay, it's now come up to a boil, and I'm just stirring it. I will keep a close eye on it to make sure that it doesn't stick to the cooker at the bottom. And like I said, the longer you cook it, the better flavor it is. And I actually, if there's any left, I like to have it the next day. This is just a really simple, easy, and even quick dinner that you can fix, especially on a weeknight. I cook a lot of times. I will try to fix stuff that is quick and easy so that my son and daughter-in-law can eat, and the kids, before they have t-ball games, they play soccer, they're involved in things at school and after work activities and church and things like that. So I like to try to fix things when I can, not every day, but when I can for them, so they can eat and not have to worry about that aspect. So here I'm just coming in with my ladle, and I think I'm getting the kids a bowl to eat here, and probably Chad and I, and getting my dad some to take to him as well. But I'm letting everybody's chili get in a bowl so they can cool and get ready to eat. And it was really good. There actually was not one bite left after we all got finished. Some of us got seconds, and I sent Dad quite a bit of it. It was really good, though. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would love for you to do that as well. Thank you for hanging out with me. I hope you have a blessed day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!